Meet ginger, the knobbly golden root sitting quietly in your kitchen, acting like it's just there for tea and takeout. But this low-key spice has been doing wellness work for thousands of years, and modern science is finally catching up. If your gut feels cranky, your skin looks tired, or your energy keeps crashing before the day is done, ginger might be the small daily upgrade you've been overlooking. First, the gut glow-up. Ginger contains natural compounds called gingerols and shogals, which help support healthy digestion and calm that uncomfortable bloated feeling. Think of it like a gentle traffic director for your stomach. It encourages food to move along instead of hanging around and causing pressure. That's why ginger has a reputation for easing nausea, whether it comes from travel, a heavy meal, or morning sickness. It's not magic, it's plant chemistry doing practical things. Now let's talk skin. Your face is not separate from your digestion. They are on the same group chat. When your gut is irritated, inflammation can show up as dullness, puffiness, or random breakouts. Ginger brings antioxidants to the table, helping defend your cells against oxidative stress, the everyday damage caused by pollution, stress, and normal metabolism. Its warming, circulation-supporting qualities may also help you look a little more awake, like your skin got the memo before your alarm clock did. And then there is energy. Ginger is not caffeine, so it will not slap your nervous system awake and then disappear at 3 p.m. Instead, it supports the systems that help energy feel steadier: digestion, circulation, and balanced inflammation. When your body is not spending the afternoon fighting bloating or sluggishness, you often feel clearer, lighter, and more ready to move. That's the ginger effect. Subtle, warm, and surprisingly useful. So, how do you use it without turning every meal into a dare? Start simple. Slice fresh ginger into hot water with lemon for a morning reset. Grate it into soups, stir-fries, marinades, salad dressings, smoothies, or oatmeal. Add a pinch of powdered ginger to cinnamon tea when you want something cozy. For digestion, try sipping ginger tea after meals. For energy, pair it with protein and fiber, because no spice, even a legendary one, can outwork a breakfast made of vibes. A little goes a long way. Too much ginger can cause heartburn or stomach irritation, especially if you are sensitive. And if you take blood thinners, have gallbladder issues, are pregnant, or manage a medical condition, check with a healthcare professional before going heavy on ginger supplements. Food amounts are usually gentle for most people, but concentrated capsules are a different story. Your glow-up should feel good, not dramatic. Here is a tiny 7-day ginger challenge. Day 1, make ginger lemon water. Day 2, add it to your lunch. Drink ginger tea after dinner. Day 4, blend a thumbnail-sized piece into a smoothie with banana, yogurt, and berries. Day 5, mix grated ginger with garlic, soy sauce, and honey for an easy sauce. Day 6, sprinkle powdered ginger into roasted carrots or sweet potatoes. Day 7, notice what changed. Less bloat, calmer cravings, brighter mornings, or simply a new ritual you actually enjoy. The best part is that ginger does not require a full personality change. You do not need a perfect routine, expensive powders, or a fridge arranged like a wellness commercial. You just need one small root, a knife, and a reason to begin. Add it consistently, listen to your body, and let the benefits build quietly. Ginger is not here to scream for attention. It's here to warm your cup, wake up your meals, settle your stomach, support your skin, and help your energy feel a little more human. So the next time you see ginger at the store, do not scroll past it in real life. Pick it up, bring it home, and let this humble spice start its quiet glow-up from the inside out.